Okay, so there's two things you want to do. One for the email marketing and then one for your text marketing. So first, go to your settings, click on settings in your Thrive, and then click on campaigns. And once you're in campaigns, this is going to be the keyword that you've selected. If you don't have a keyword in here yet, just start typing something in. It has to be all the letters together, and this will be the keyword that you will share with your customers. They have to text this keyword that you select to 85100. So you can just put on flyers or business cards or what have you, text Dacia to 85100 to be subscribed to our network, or to receive 10% off, or to receive our newsletter, whatever, however you want to promote it. But in order for them to opt in, they have to text this keyword to 85100, and that way they can text in and they will be asked to be opted into Cedro Woolley Family Dental Center, sending them messages, and then they say yes, and then they'll be added to the list for you to be able to send text marketing campaigns. The other thing you want to do is click on settings and then hit client card under other settings, and then there will be an option down here. If you scroll down, there's one that says where is it? This one. I'd like to receive promotions, and just make sure that it is checked by default. So just make sure that this field, I'd like to receive promotions and special offers, is checked right here, checked by default, and then just hit save. Once you've done that, all your clients that you keep adding in, so when I go in and add a client, this checkbox is already checked. I'd like to receive promotions. Or if they go on your website, this checkbox should be checked unless they uncheck it. The other thing that you can do is go into all of your clients that you've added to your list, and just make sure that under info, this checkbox is checked for all your contacts, just to make sure that that way you can send them email marketing campaigns. And so once I'm ready to send a marketing campaign, you can hit marketing, announcement, new announcement. You can select what you want it to go to. So for example, visit our client portal, or schedule an appointment, or what have you. So for this one, I'm just going to say visit our client portal, visit our client portal and schedule your appointment today. Create. And then here's where you can edit the email marketing campaign. Once you're done and you finish editing it and you're ready to send, you just hit send. And here's where you're going to be able to select if it's going to be an email campaign or a text message campaign. For the text message campaign, it'll be for the people that have subscribed to your network. And so one thing that you can do with text messaging campaigns is if their phone number is not available, send via email. And you put your email subject here, check out our portal, whatever you want it to be, and then continue. And here's where you'll be able to select either all clients, my clients. I'm just going to say all clients, continue. And I get this error message because I have a limited, but you should be able to see, who you're going to be able to send the text message to, who the email recipients are going to be, and then the ones in your contact list that are either not subscribed or don't have a phone number. That's pretty much it. It's pretty easy to use. If you have any questions or you want me to walk you through, just let me know. There's also, we inputted new automated campaigns, and these are a little bit different because you can select for these campaigns to go out automatically. So if you would like to send a birthday card, it automatically sends it on the customer's birthday or on your client's birthday. And so there's different options here of automated campaigns that when there's an action, when you add a new client, it automatically shoots over a welcome email or what have you. Or for patients that have been there in the, in your system for a while, you can, send a little thank you for being VIP, that sort of stuff. So there's a lot of different things in automated campaigns that you can do as well. And this is a little bit more hands off. Once you turn it on, it'll just automatically shoot the email. You can also do the announcements as well, the email marketing campaigns. Call if you have any questions, 206-676-8510, or reach out via email. Thanks and have a great day.